Off-ramp crypto cards solve a massive headache in the crypto space: spending your crypto in the real world. It's awesome to huddle Bitcoin or ETH, but what if the landlord is a bit old school and prefers dollars? Enter these cards. The concept is simple but groundbreaking. You transfer crypto into the card's app, it converts to fiat like USD or EUR, and then you can swipe this card virtually anywhere. It works at ATMs, stores, and online. It's that seamless. For anyone who's tried to use crypto regularly, the main pain point is the slow, clunky process of withdrawing to a bank account. It often takes days, and frankly, who has the patience? Off-ramp cards cut this down to seconds. Let's talk flexibility. You're not tied to one type of currency. Have USDC but want to buy coffee at Starbucks that requires dollars? Done. Holding BTC? Convert and tap. These cards are the bridge crypto has been waiting for. The fees are where it gets tricky. Many cards charge withdrawal fees, conversion fees, or even monthly fees. Some are as high as 3% per transaction. If you're not careful, you can bleed money just for routine spending. Pro tip: always research which card aligns with your spending style. Some, like Crypto.com's card, give you cashback in crypto, while others minimize fees for higher-tier holders. A 2% advantage might not sound like much, but it adds up. Another pain point is availability. Not every off-ramp card is supported in every country or state. Living in Portland, OR, I've seen a few that won't work nationwide. Always check their coverage map or terms before committing. Security is crucial. These cards interact with your crypto wallets, so look for companies that offer cold storage or near-instant freeze capabilities. You don't want to wake up one day and find your funds have vanished. Setting up an off-ramp crypto card usually only takes about 10 minutes. Step 1. Download the app. Step 2. Verify your ID. Step 3. Connect your crypto wallet and transfer funds. By lunch, you could be spending your crypto like cash. Here's a bonus use case. When markets are volatile, these cards let you cash out instantly without waiting for exchanges to process. You can escape a bad drop and lock in fiat quickly. Timing can mean everything when you're market dodging. For the skeptics, why not just use my regular bank card? The difference is control. With an off-ramp crypto card, you bypass banks entirely. It's your crypto, your spending, and as decentralized as the world lets you be right now. And for anyone curious, yes, using off-ramp cards is taxable. Whatever you convert to fiat can be a taxable event. Keep track of transactions with tools like Coinly. A little organization now saves you a major headache in April.